Yo, what's going on, y'all? Great day. This is what's today's day? It's Amari here, Amari Bryant TV, aka Secure Future. April 21st, y'all. And I just want to show y'all this investment platform, Acorns, that I've been using off and on since 2019. Been using it since December of this year so far. And I kind of wanted to share it, because I believe that, investing is everything. And imagine, right, guys, imagine where you can literally when every time you swipe your card and you have a balance of there's 10 cents on the balance of the dollar balance, 20 cents, 40 cents, 90 cents on the end of the dollar balance inside your bank account. Imagine that money is now being taken out of your account and being invested into the stock market for you based off of your investment preferences. Like, I wish I would have kept doing this for the last 3 years, because I know based off of the money that I was spending and the cents that were on the back end of my dollar amount in my account, I will be up a lot. So for anybody who doesn't, you don't have $100,000, $50,000, $30,000. Maybe you don't have, $5 grand. Maybe you don't have $1,000. But what you do have is, you're swiping your card every day and you have the cents. Imagine over time that builds up and now you have hundreds of dollars, that you can invest. So check this out. Let me just share my screen really quick. Let me just share my screen. Check it out. So here we go. Let's talk about it. Right, here we go. So this is the app right here. It's the homepage. Good morning, Amari. You see it. I don't know what Bank Smarter is, but so far I've gotten $286 in my account. Every week we're gonna progress and see how this goes, right? Let's see if we can get to 1,000. I'm just gonna show you what I have today. So let's see here. Direct deposit 0, recurring. So every month I'm depositing $15. And it's one of my very smaller investments, but every month I am transferring $15 from my bank account over to my Acorns account, and is then diversifying that $15 up until whenever. At first it was $10. I was like, let me up the ante to 15, because why not invest in my future? Right. Also, it says here in the last 30 days, right, I've invested about $155 inside this platform. We go roundups. Now, what is a roundup? A roundup is what I've been talking about. A roundup is when, the money that, look, transactions on your linked cards are rounded up to the whole dollar. That spare change is invested from your funding source. We press learn more. Roundups from your Acorns Visa debit card are pulled from your spend account and are invested into your invest account as soon as the transaction clears. This gives your money the chance to start growing right away. Crazy. Roundups made from other linked cards are set aside until they hit $5 threshold and then are transferred into your Acorns investment account. So the other accounts that are linked, those are going to be, set aside until they hit the $5 threshold. So every $5 of roundups, it's going to then invest it, right? The average Acorn user invests more than $30 a month through roundups. That's crazy. So imagine over time, $30, if you do the math, do it on my phone right here. Check it out. So $30 times 12 is $360, right? But let's say the average, yearly gross on stocks and all these things is 8%. So we do 360 times 8%. That's $28.80 plus 360 times 10 years. So that's over like almost, and this is not even compounded. Yeah, so it's like almost over $3,000, and it could be more. Some people swipe their cards more, and just know that your money is being invested over a period of time, right? Which is pretty lit. So boom, let's see what we have here. Waiting to be invested 0 will transfer this from your funding source into your Okay. So far I've invested $296 through roundups. Number of roundups invested 206. So here I have it on 10 times. Right. And let me explain to you what a 10 times roundup is. So as you can see here, Coinbase $60. So I had 90 cents left at the end of that transaction. Right. So I rounded up to the nearest dollar. So I did my roundups times 10. So whatever that is, that amount of money is being rounded up for me. So $9, right? Lift 10 times, 370, right? Did a girl hold my hand subscription. You know, it was 90 cents on the end of it, $10, right? And I could keep going and keep going and keep going. All right. So look, my roundup settings are automatic 10 times, and I could change this. So we round up each transaction to the nearest dollar. The spare change gets added to your Acorns investment account. It's on automatic multiplier times 10, right? Whole dollar roundups, 90 cents, right? Linked accounts, and so on and so forth. So I have a 10 times multiplier on it. You know, you can put a 3x multiplier on it, but I'm just like, man, I want to invest right now. You know, I'm 27. You know, my goal is by the time I'm 30 is to be really my goal by the end of the, I have big goals for the end of the year, but so everything is really being invested, but you know, dream life will be lived, you know, pretty much for free and be kind of live off itself, you know, by the time I'm 30. Right. So check it out. Recurring investing every 27th of each month, $15. You know, I have 76.8% in stocks, 19.2% of my money in bonds, right? And then also I have 4% in crypto. Risk, I'm aggressive, I'm young, theme core, right? Invested account value 286, transferring cash 31, total account balance 317. My account so far is down 2.98 or $2.98. But that's cool because stocks are down right now. And this is the time you want to invest. I want to invest in the heavy stocks right now. All right. So yeah. So that's pretty much the investment platform. And I think you can see. Oh, you can withdraw money? I didn't know that. Well, I mean, of course you can. But pause investment said, if markets are down, withdrawing your money locks in losses. Withdrawing may take 3 to 6 days. Let me tax me on your withdrawal. So if you withdraw in losses, it's really tax-free money, honestly. But we're not going to withdraw right now. We just want to keep investing. You know, and that's pretty much it. Oh, yeah. If you get 6 friends to join Acorns, you know, you get an extra $800 in your investment by April 23rd, 2 days from today. Let's see. Can I switch my portfolios? Yes, you can switch your portfolio, your Acorns investment portfolio. Acorns later before determined based on your age and update. Okay. All right, awesome. Let's see what else they have here. Let's see what Bank Smarter is. Bank Smarter. Including your subscription, get $75 when you set up a qualifying direct deposit. Okay, that's pretty dope. And yeah, so I mean, listen, I'm at $286 right now. This is more of a long-term play. You know, I'm excited about it. It's a long-term play. Y'all, every little bit matters. Every little bit matters on the journey of wealth and securing our future. You know, this could be something that, you know, that could build up over time. And I think that, you know, for those of us who may not have the hundreds of thousands or the thousands of dollars, you know, every penny counts. And when you look back 5-10 years from now, you say, wow, I'm happy I invested, because your portfolio could be up 10%, 15%, 20, 30, 40, 100%. You just never know. So, you know, I'm very, very excited about it. And let's get it.